Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and we wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I wanted to thank you all for supporting the channel. I love seeing you guys share my recipes you guys have made. It's an honor to see. I'm so excited for you guys to see next year's new recipes. I'm also excited for my husband to be coming home next year and for him to be in my videos with me again. We miss him very much and cannot wait for him to come home. And here's a little message from my husband to you all.
How's it going, Fairytale family? Just wanted to wish you guys a happy holidays and Merry Christmas. And to my beautiful wife and daughter, love and miss you guys and have a wonderful day. See you guys later. Bye.
Thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. Bye! Say bye, baby! Bye-bye!